All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Did you used to live there?
Let's do it. Where are you working on? Talk to me here.
No. Did you used to live around there?
You don't know. What were you doing just
I
now?
lived in Morehead City. So,
Changing
like,
the
Atlantic
leg.
Beach,
Changing the legs.
area.
Okay. Okay. Good. All right. You've kept it simple, right? This is good. I like how you're keeping this simple. So we're going to go over this. So we need to, I want you, aside from, I'm going to show you some construction, especially with the legs. I'll help you with the legs. But I want you, let me see this pencil. This is pathetic. We need to sharpen this a little bit more.
All right.
Go sharpen that. You're just going to switch to my pencil over there?
No, that's
what,
mine.
Is
I have
it?
3.
Did I give you those? Because those look like my pencils.
No, I bought them.
Which is fine if you did, but just be honest with me.
I did.
Okay. Good. Where's the sandpaper? We need it. This is imperative. Because I know that you're not going to sharpen afterwards. I know you're just going to go back to your old ways. By the drill. There's one all the way in the back corner by my, the very back corner. You know. See, I don't mind leaving that up for you, Katie, because I know you're not going to copy it like, like you would. No, you're good. But you are a right to be paranoid. Okay. I wish you were adamant as about sharpening as you are about shading. It would make me so happy. Come here. Let me see this.
That's sharp. as
No,
I
it's
get.
not. No. Go get the sharpener. Bring it over here. I'm going to give you a lesson. You know this. Brian, here's the thing. You do hard things very well, okay? But then you do easy things like a utter retard. You just don't know how to sharpen your pencil or tape your paper. Your paper's getting better. Even though this is not that great. Here.
Is that Stonehenge?
Here's what we do.
90 pounds?
I'm going to take this.
That's good stuff.
We're just going to light, you don't need to press in, but you put this here, because you're sharpening like this, and you need to get a flat.
I don't like getting my fingers dirty like that.
You're going to have to, and stop being a wuss.
All right.
So the longer I look at this,
My gosh. Don't like getting your fingers dirty. You want a good drawing? You
Yeah.
want to draw? Good.
it looks like eyes and a mouth going, and then it's just got this like extra because it's a cartoon character.
That was a good drawing.
Like a dot, like
What? Do you see what I'm doing?
Okay.
See what I'm doing?
At least I've just been looking at it.
Nice and sharp. You see that? This is
Okay.
going to be much easier to draw with.
Cartoon,
I'll do this one. No, I want you to do this one. Do what I just did. You see this? It's okay. It's not going to kill you. Take it. You got this. I believe in you. A little bit. Good. Really make it flatter. Try to make it flatter. Really, I want that as a long, sharp point. You got this. You got this. Good job, Katie. That's a good shift. I saw what you did. Take
How's
some
that?
balls. Huh?
That's pretty sharp.
Let me see.
No?
No. Keep going. You see, you have it like this, and then it's going down. I want it like, look, Brian, you have it like this. I want it like that. Okay? You got this. That's it. Sharpen. Yes. Be the sandpaper, Brian. Reach your picture. That's not it. There you go. That's it. Now, that's what I mean by flat. There you go. Okay. Pretend like you're shading. That's where your enthusiasm is. You got this. Keep going. You got it. Slowly rotate the pencil just a little bit, ever so slightly. There you go. That was a good shift. I saw it. Slow. Keep on doing it. Feel the pencil. You have to be the pencil. That's it. Let me see.
That's pretty good.
That's better. That's better. Okay. Good man. All right. The reason why I had you do that, all right, it might sound like I'm being picky, but it's been 2 years. Let's be honest. You need to be able to. What are you doing? Ew! Why? You don't want to. Dude,
I'm cleaning my hands, man.
he spit all over his hand.
I'm I don't want fingerprints on my drawing, you know?
Are you scared that you're going to get like perped or something?
No,
That's disgusting.
no, we're good. All
No,
right.
we're not.
I have
Go
to
wash
say
your
that
hands.
You do? Okay.
Give it to him.
Oh my god.
Yeah, well, like that Kleenex.
You didn't see it close up.
Oh god.
You did? You saw it?
See, if I were at home, I'd be using like soap and water.
What? We have a sink. Why didn't you just go to the sink? I didn't know that you were going to spit all over your hands. 'Cause
Where's
you got...
your sink?
She's giving you soap right now. I'll tell you
I
later.
don't see a sink.
She.
I don't have.
All right, now they're dry. All
No,
right,
no, no.
Okay,
I'll show you. Come here.
that's fine.
Come here. Come here, Brian. Come here.
Trying to
Right.
save time.
I'm not sure how much of it is.
I steal my wilderness backpack and clean it.
It's disgusting. Come here. It's over here. Damn you.
I heard it.
There's the soap. There's the sink. There's paper towels in there. All right. I'll be in there waiting for you. I'll be waiting for your glorious return.
There was this girl, one student of mine, I can't remember what it was, we were going to make an agreement or whatever. I said, "You wanna spit for it?" I pretended to hock a loogie and spit in my hand. She actually hocked a loogie
Oh
and
no.
spit it in
Oh.
hers.
Oh,
I was like,
yeah.
"Oh, okay."
Oh, yeah, that's really
All right. Get in position right there. I want to go through and look at something with this and keep it going while Brian is doing his thing. It's like dealing with a child. Unbelievable. That's pinched in. Legs are a little long. It's out. Okay. Oh, I see what he did. The hell are you doing?
I'm shaving.
Next thing I'll see Lewis driving wearing a mask. I mean,
What are you talking about me wearing a mask? You're
Oh,
saying,
well,
oh, I should, I'm being a little picky because I don't like having you here with slobber all over your
you
hands.
know, I think maybe the legs are too long.
Long,
relative.
exactly, good man. You got it. And this is like really short here, okay? And this piece right here is way too short. And what's happening is that the shadow, do you see the shadow there? And here, step aside a little bit. I don't want to make out with you again. Here, every time I look,
Again,
every time I look,
all right,
and our faces almost touch.
the truth comes out.
This angle's incorrect. What's wrong with you? All right, okay. All right, okay, so the legs are a little bit long. You know, they're a little bit long. So this is going to need to drop just a little bit. Let me double check this. I need to see exactly what's going on. Yeah, so the buttocks like break about right there. And this is hard because a lot of it is in shadow, so it kind of comes up. And then what's happening is you have it stopping here because that's where the shadow is. But if you really go and look, it's actually coming up here. And their back breaks about right here, and it comes up. And so what you're going to do is you're gonna say, okay, you want to plumb line this point down and see where it goes through the buttocks. And it actually goes around right here or so. So like this is where,
That's as far down, you're gonna make the torso only that much longer?
well, watch what's happening. The torso is actually becoming longer. It's just it's expanding in this direction here.
All right.
Does that make sense? And so bringing this down, because look where I brought this. This is actually sight size. Okay, so that's it. That's that point right there, that's that point. So I brought that down quite a bit.
All right.
So that's going to shorten the legs. And then what's going to happen, see, her hips are like, her lower torso is longer than you have it. That's really small because that's where the shadow starts. But if you go up there, here, come up here. We're going to do this exercise. Come over here. I want you to look at this. Follow me. Watch this ball. Now look, so the shadow is here, but her back actually goes there. It goes up more. Do you see what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah, you see that? So you can see it here. And it's okay. I don't mind, Brian, if you come up and look at the model to understand what you can't see in the shadows, right? There's nothing wrong with that. You need to strive for the understanding. You okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Here, step aside. Okay. So we have this two coming up. So again, like this is where the shadows would be, which is kind of where you stopped. That's where the shadows would be right there. You know, it kind of comes up like that. So we have this point here, and then the back comes up. Kind of at a, it's actually more like that angle right there. And then you're going to have this, that's kind of where her shoulders go, and then they kind of break up. It actually breaks very subtly going up into her hair like that. But my point is, if you plumb line this down, it falls on this side. Whereas here, if we plumb line down, I mean, you're relatively close to that. That's close as well. But, and then this, we're gonna kind of chop that off a little bit to help us see that. So then we can mess around, like this might come out just a little more like that or whatever, and then we have the shadow. But from here, what you can do, you can go from here, and then right here is kind of like right above the elbow. Like the elbow is gonna be kind of like around this area, that's the elbow. But this piece right here is where that like, you know, her rib cage is sitting right on top of the hip area right there, and it's kind of actually coming down like this, like the shadow shape's kind of doing that. So do you see what I'm saying? Like that's that,
Yeah.
yeah, part right there. So
Yeah.
anyway, getting back to it, this is too wide. This angle is incorrect. It should be kind of coming up a little bit more like that. So this, like it just comes in a little bit more there. And then this piece right there should be about this thick right here. So that needs to be shaving off like that. And then this part is gonna come down like that, and it's gonna be probably about right there. And then, so the breast is gonna be down here, just like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah, thanks.
Do you have any questions?
No, I'm okay.
You wanna hug it out? You wanna hug?
No, we're good.
Okay, I'll massage you later, okay?
Yeah,
We're good,
yeah.
all right.